guess I didn't want to believe you were so incredibly arrogant that you thought the world couldn't go on without you.
Or someone like me. It's not arrogance. It's fact.
You set the whole thing up.
It's a good thing that you're almost a clone of me. The world does need a Batman.
Bruce didn't overwrite your DNA with his. I did.
How? Why?
Because the world needs a Batman. The thought of a world without Batman was unacceptable. So I decided to make a new one.
The mantle of Batman is an honor, Terry.
You are insane. Being Batman's no honor. It's a curse.
It's getting serious, Bruce. If this continues, we won't get on with it.
I don't care about that. Any of that.
You don't care about your family's legacy?
What I'm doing is my family's